Look at that view. Hello, Amsterdam. We loved it so much the first time that we decided to come back for an even longer stay.
Yeah. So Melbourne, Singapore, Singapore, Milan, Milan, Amsterdam, Amsterdam, Heerlen.
Wait a minute. We haven't actually explained why we're here again. We're not here on vacation. We're moving here. We now live in the Netherlands. Heerlen was great, but after living there for a month, we decided it was a little quiet for us. We took the train and explored a city less than 30 minutes away.
Welcome to Maastricht. My mother would say, we used to have to drop off at the churches, one every corner, she'd try a different one every day. I'm serious, like she's involved.
Yeah. It's so pretty here. All we know so far is that there are a lot of churches, like right there.
And it's also the birthplace or area where my father grew up.
It's also the food capital of the Netherlands. That sounds like our kind of place. This is how you know you're in Maastricht. That's a church there. It's another church there. Church. And there's another church there.
Church.
We decided to go on a walking tour to get to know Maastricht a little more.
Perhaps you have heard of the local pastry of the province of Limburg. It's named vlaai. The vlaai shield over there left, you see how you write fly, but you pronounce it like fly from fly away, but totally different because they look to you of the Spanish. Because of the Spanish, we have the rice fly here, and that has to do that in the early times in the Netherlands we had a war for 80 years with Spain. That was in the 16th and 17th century. You're also from Spain?
No, from Puerto Rico.
Ah, Puerto Rico, yeah, also the influence of the Spanish, yeah, and everywhere in the world.
Sorry.
The Dutch did it also.
Soy de las Filipinas. Lo mismo.
Same thing, yeah.
Where have we seen one of those before?
They call Adelaide the city of churches in Australia, but it doesn't have a touch on this.
And when you're in the areas below seawater level, you're secure because in the hundreds of years you know how to fight against the water.
Oh, another church.
That's the first city wall of Madrid, which is still standing today.
Then you see that heaven and hell, it's close to each other. And you see the second heaven's gate is open. One of the angels is waiting there for you. In heaven here in Maastricht, you get alcohol because it's poured in. And you see two modern windmills. They are in Belgium.
Oh, wow.
And then you see how close by the border is with Belgium. So that means from here to the border is only 4 kilometers.
Huh?
That far it is. But look, here to this plant, you see the grapes. And when you have the grapes,
There's wine.
So Maastricht means crossing place of the river Maastricht. That's all. But nowadays we have too many churches.
So we just found out from our guide that, you know, we've been saying this place is so Catholic because there's so many churches. Turns out those churches aren't really used as churches. They're like, one is a hotel, one's a bookstore, there's a party center, there's a bar. Fitness. That's so Dutch. Apparently these markets are here every Saturday, right in front of the town hall, which is that big building there.
Church. And the last 10 years it's a bookshop.
We are inside an old church that's actually been turned into a bookstore. So we just finished that tour. It was with City Sites Maastricht.
He knew everything. So knowledgeable. Lovely bloke.
Yeah, we highly recommend it. It's Kroketten met frietjes. It's a Vikse witte. This is the trio van vis met frietjes ook. And we're having it in this nice little square in Maastricht.
We couldn't help but go back to the fly place we'd seen during our walking tour to try some of the Limburgse fly that we'd heard so much about. We dropped the fly off at our hotel for later and headed to the Frietjes, the main square of Maastricht, where they had some sort of a food festival.
I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun.
You have like a card, you put euros into it, but then it has a weird other currency that you then use to buy food. We spent €50.40 and we got Thai green curry, chicken curry, 2 lumpia, 2 tempuras, white wine, an assortment of 6 different tapas, water, croquettes,
Chicken croquette.
and bread.
Yeah.
Little expensive, but the food was excellent.
It was lekker.
Yeah.
We enjoyed Maastricht so much on that one day that 2 weeks after these videos were shot, we moved there for good.
And we get to see sites like that on a daily basis. That one, not that one, that one.
Hello, UOM, Minos, John, Laurie.
Oh God, we're gonna name people?
Just a few.
Okay, I'm just gonna say Tabcorp people. Abby, I like your bag. It goes with your outfit.
I got it at the army disposals.
Nico, it's nature.